one life of .ao 1.0 or whatever. I think this is a 1 and an I, and it's purple. So this is the tail of the coolest, like last time. And hopefully this time we'll actually, this is free-for-all mode, and hopefully we'll actually be able to play this time, not just die instantly. Thinking about a build, I want to do the big shooter, because if you press Y, look, there's a new one. Okay. I think we might be good. I'm gonna put all my stats into movement. Cause look, there's a new, I think there's a new one. I was looking, like, I think that's new. Or maybe it's not actually. Don't really know what class to go. I want to do this one's the classic. So max speed and then max damage. The max speed, max damage glass cannon build. Glass cannon. Okay, maybe we need more damage. And reload. So we can just spam bullets everywhere. These pentagons, wait, 5 sides of pentagons, these pentagons give you lots of XP. In gamer terms. There's a boss down here apparently. Go check it out. Hello. I'm too quick for you, little dude. Goodbye. Oh, we can choose a new class. I'm gonna go with machine gun's kinda cool. Sniper's cool because you can do the shapes that move around. I think I'm gonna go machine gun for this one. I think I will increase the bullet speed because then we get to kill people quicker. Or have a higher chance. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We need a regen. Get my health back. The Guardian of the Pentagon has been defeated by Shoot. And he has 100k points. 100 times. Okay, now we're shooting so many. And auto, you can put auto fire and auto spin. Auto spin's not that good. Why am I not regening? I'm gonna put 1 point into regeneration. Help me heal. Oh, now I'm, so it's not consistent. You have to, it's like a time where you have to wait until you get your health back. It doesn't like consistently go up. That's good knowledge to know. And we're doing a lot better than last time. Maybe I'll be able to finish this series and so I'm gonna call the series completed when I get to the top of the leaderboard, and maybe I want to do the new shape. I want it. Maybe I'll call the challenge complete when maybe one in each like class, or just maybe the first time. Because I do want to do all of, oh, it's all blurred out now. I do want to maybe 4 times, like I have to get top place in each 4 category. That seems That seems like a good plan. And we're level 30, so when we're level 30 we get to choose all of these options. I think this one's new. A shotgun. Let's try it. Oh, so it's just a bunch of random stuff. All different sizes. I think I would want a little bit of health. What can we go with this one? We can go two different ways. This one looks cool because it's like a twin barrel, and this one's probably just like a bazooka. Or a shotgun. I guess a bazooka is just like one giant. It's kind of like a bazooka. A bazooka. There's a lot of shapes here to collect. And those hexagons, I think it was, the bluer ones, give it a lot of XP. They should add more cool... Oh. My bullets aren't going through. I might be dead. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th place. We're gonna have to kill a lot to get to the top. And I might actually have to use some editing this time because this video is probably gonna be really long. That's okay though. Because it will actually help me learn how to edit videos better. I want bullet speed because our bullets are really slow compared to everyone else's. So that guy, this guy, he's going the no shooting build, which is just like a walking tank, basically. I've done that before. It's pretty boring. I think we can kill this guy, let's see. This class, I don't know if this class is that good. It's like a mix. The giant, does do quite a lot of damage though once you get up real close, but at that point it's... Do you see that guy at the top? I'm gonna see if I can get him. Maybe I should be sneaky. So this guy will never really be able to get to me because I'm quicker. I want to get to level 45 because that's when you get to the final form. There is a lot of shapes here. Maybe we'll be able to get it. I think bullet speed's what we need. Okay, there's a lot of... we need... Oh, I'm getting pretty close to them. I think we just need bullet penetration so our bullets don't die off as quickly. Bullet speed and bullet penetration, that's probably the final... Oh. Wait, this is the top guy. Oh, we gotta leave. I might be dead. So we're 4th place, and this game is kind of, it's not as popular as it used to be, but being 4th place isn't too bad, to be honest. Yeah, level 41, 3 more levels, and then we get to choose. I think I'm gonna... maybe if we can team with this guy, because he's pretty small, but I don't think he wants... Goodbye. I was trying to team with him, but he didn't really get on the same page. I need to stop getting hurt so I can regenerate health. This guy's at 150. I think I scared him off. This guy up here is at 150, I don't know if I'll be able to take him. what build? He was, I think he was like a triple dude. Maybe, I think it was like this dude? I don't know. Can I become the coolest? This is a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is hex. Because of honeybees. They have hexagon shapes. Wait, are they maybe they're not hexagons actually. Hello. This game's about killing, so, well, it's not exactly a friendly game. So I don't feel bad if I kill this dude. In fact, if I can... I'm not doing too much damage. I need to time my shots. I don't know if I should be chasing this, I might be greedy. Yeah, we definitely need to see if the final upgrade can help us. We're not too slow, it's just... I don't know, I'm kind of scared of engaging. There's only 5 people in the lobby. 6, 7, 8 people. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more level. We get the final form. Dual barrel or pallet shot? Pallet shot it looks like it. Dual barrel. This one, I haven't seen this one before, so I think I'm gonna go for this one. And with our final upgrade, I want to do maybe damage. Maybe bullet speed actually. Right click to shoot. Oh, we get to shoot twice. Right click to shoot the other barrel. Boom, boom. Wait, that's actually kind of sick. So the first wave can like shield the other bullets from coming through. Well, I don't want to get cornered here. Or we can use the fist. Boom, boom. I'm getting through. So we can use the first one to boost and then I'm gonna hit a trick shot. The first one to get around and then boom. We're definitely doing more. Maybe bullet speed's the most important thing. Got a little damage there. Yes. Trying to sneak around him. Oh, he's running. He's running! If we get this kill,